everyone, here is Joyce. See you again. Today, something about our hex punch pins is gonna share with you in Jinliujiao Precision Wood Company's factory. At first, look at some punch pins in my hand. They all called hex punch pins, but in different dimensional size, small or large across flat values. Then there are some points of it to mention. As its name, hex punch pin, it means to be used in punch die in order to form the head of hex flange bolt, which it will bear large walls in cold forming process. So we try a lot of ways to avoid it breaking up, deforming, wearing and tearing. The most effective way is to adjust the suitable hardness by heat treatment. What's more, to tightenize helps improve the pin's lifetime and the surface fineness. Finally, hex punch pin's material, coating, logo, everything can be controlled by customers' requirement as per your bolt characters. We had a rich practice experience to provide you with better solutions for your fastener tools. Find our contact information and put forward your questions to us. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.